The comprehension is given like this in terms of some formulae. Vapor density is equal to mass of certain volume of gas at STP divided by mass of the same volume of hydrogen gas at STP. And a very common formula, 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular mass, and vapor density is equal to the density of gas upon density of hydrogen. Let's see the MCQs related to this comprehension. And the other one, the vapor density of a metal chloride is given as 66 and its oxide contains 53% of metal, and we need to find out the atomic mass of the metal. So here the oxide of a metal contains 53% of metal. So the mass of metal is equal to 53 grams. Then what will be the mass of oxygen? It is 100 minus 53, isn't it? And that is equal to 47 grams. And we know the very basic concept that any two substances always react in the ratio of their equivalent masses, isn't it? So the number of equivalents of metal is equal to the number of equivalents of oxygen. And how we will calculate number of equivalents when mass is known? It is nothing but mass upon gram equivalent mass. So for metal M, it is 53 upon the value which we need to calculate later on, gram equivalent mass. And for oxygen, we know the mass as 47 and we know the equivalent mass as 8. So from this one, we will get the gram equivalent mass as equal to 9, isn't it? So we got the equivalent mass of the metal as 9. And we also know the basic relation, atomic mass is equal to valency multiplied by the equivalent mass. Here we need to calculate the atomic mass of the metal and we already got the equivalent mass. Now we need to find out the valency and how we can get the valency of the metal from the given data. Till now we had this particular data 53%, but we did not use this vapor density of metal chloride as 66. Let us use that. Now if we take the metal chloride which is MClX, tell me what will be the molecular mass of this MClX. I say that this is equal to 2 into 66. Why? Because 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular mass. And how you will get the molecular mass of this MClX? Atomic mass of M plus X into atomic mass of chlorine, isn't it? And what is the atomic mass of M? That's what we are calculating here. So it is valency multiplied by the equivalent mass. So let me take it as X multiplied by 9 plus here it is X multiplied by 35.5. This total value is equal to the molecular mass of MClX. And here we get the X value as equal to 3. So once you get the valency, when you multiply that valency with the equivalent mass, that is 3 into 9, you will be getting the atomic mass of the metal as equal to 27, and that is option A. We are calculating the equivalent mass of the metal. From the equivalent mass, you know how to calculate atomic mass, which is valency multiplied by equivalent mass. And to get the valency, we need to use the concept of vapor density given like this, 66. So the 2 into vapor density is equal to molecular mass of this metal chloride. So the sum of the atomic masses of all these elements is equal to 2 into 66. So the atomic mass of metal is this one, that is valency into equivalent mass, X into 9 plus X number of chlorine atoms are here. So X into 35.5, that is equal to 2 into 66. On solving, we get X as equal to 3 and atomic mass is equal to 27.